Why do I need to file a police report after an accident? This is a common question, and really you aren't so much filing a police report as getting the police to come out to the scene and investigate an accident after it's happened. And actually this is one of the best things you can do after an accident. And the reason is because you're getting an objective person, or at least a person who's seen to be objective, take down a lot of the information about the accident, like the time, the date, the location, who was at fault, how the accident happened, and maybe witness statements, and maybe even making a diagram of the whole accident scene. And it's really important to get this information for several reasons. One is your own insurance company is going to want to know this information. If you're looking for no-fault benefits or any type of insurance benefits from your own insurance company, they're going to want to know this information, and they don't want to just rely on what you have said. They're going to want a police report getting objective information, or what they see to be objective, in order to figure these things out. And another reason is because if you ever have to file a lawsuit, you're going to want that information for the same reason. You don't want the other person to say that an accident didn't happen, or that it didn't happen the way that it actually did, or that the injuries were different than what they appeared to be afterwards. So getting a police report is critical, and you need to do it right away. Now, there are some requirements under the law. If you've had property damage over $1,000, if there's a really big personal injury or a death, that an accident is going to be done, an accident report will be done. But in a lot of instances, it's not so clear whether you want to call the police or not. But we would recommend that you always call the police after an accident, because you never know what kind of injuries are going to show up after the accident. Could be a week, could be 2 weeks, could be even longer. And if you're not documenting the accident, it's going to be really hard to go back and prove that it didn't happen, or that it did happen the way that you said it did. So get a police report after an accident. It's one of the best things you can do. And if you are needing any information about this, contact a lawyer so they can help you.